Why do 80% of new Shopee sellers struggle to make their first sale? It's not magic, it's all about smart moves. Here's how you can stand out and start earning fast. First, set up your Shopee seller account. Don't just pick any shop name, make it catchy and memorable. Upload a snazzy logo and fill in your shop details. Add your bank account so you actually get paid. Next, nail your product listings. Use high-quality photos from every angle. Write clear, punchy descriptions and sprinkle in those all-important keywords. Research your competition and price smart. Offer color and size options to attract more buyers. Customer service matters. Reply fast, solve problems sweetly, and always stay professional. Don't forget Shopee's tools. Join promos, try Shopee ads, and hand out vouchers for extra buzz. Track your inventory, fulfill orders quickly, and ask for those glowing reviews. Keep learning, keep improving. Ready to sell smarter, not harder. Hit subscribe for more Shopee seller tips.